Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys. This is a makeup video. Yay! Whoops, I dropped something. Yay! Anyway, ignore the mess behind me. I have actually two things that I'm sharing in one video. Both of these were too short to do just one separate video on, so I thought I would combine the two. So the other day I went to Marshall's with my kids, and whenever I go to Marshall's, I love checking out their skincare and makeup aisles, especially the clearance, to see if I can find any good stuff. Especially lately because I've been getting back into makeup and skincare, and I basically have almost nothing left. And there's certain things that I've been looking to replace because I'm running low on. So anyway, I'm going to take you guys with me to Marshall's. I'm going to show you the footage of when I was there, and then I will go ahead and show you a little mini haul. I only picked up a couple of things. I'll show you what I grabbed, and then we're going to do a PR unboxing, you guys. I got my first PR package that I've had in probably like 4 or 5 years. So I'm super excited to open that with you guys today. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. So first thing we're gonna do is see the footage from the other day when I went to Marshall's with my kids. So enjoy that, and then we'll be right back. I always like to start back here in the clearance section. As you can see at my store, it's a really big mess. Everything is just kind of stacked up on each other, and a lot of the stuff that ends up back here is opened and damaged. But I do always like to start here because sometimes I find really good deals back here. I'm really just kind of looking through for anything that catches my eye, any high-end skincare, because that's usually what I'm drawn to. This is Murad. I do like this brand, but it's just a facial cleanser, and I already have a couple, so I don't need one right now. That was $13. That's actually a pretty decent deal for that. I would have picked it up if I needed a cleanser right now. Dr. Teal's, this is one of my favorite brands. I just didn't like all the products in that box. Otherwise, I would have got it. Living Proof, that's also a good brand. Then I moved over to just the regular skincare aisle. I found a whole bunch of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair line. And the prices on these, again, were pretty decent. $12.99 for the big one. This one was $9.99 for the small one. This is the Oatmeal Mask, $7.99. That's a great deal for that product. Another face cleanser, $4.99. Again, a really good deal for those. I just don't need any of those products right now. This Radiance facial polish is a really good like exfoliator. That was $9.99. And I'm not sure what this cookie flavored one is. I think it's just an Ultra Repair cream. This is more First Aid Beauty. It's from their Skin Rescue line, so good for acne-prone skin. I don't really need those products, so just kind of showing you guys what I was seeing. Again, just kind of skimming through. I'm really just looking for high-end products because I'm looking to replace a lot of the stuff that I don't have anymore, so that's kind of what I'm looking for when I go through here. And you know, previously working at Sephora, I can usually spot them very quickly. Like here's a Shiseido. That was a lotion, I believe, but they had it priced at $19.99, which is a good deal for this product. It's just more than I wanted to spend when there was a lot of other great brands for a lower price. And I'm just kind of skimming through here. There is a lot of generic brands that I find all the time. Here's a Perricone MD. That's a really expensive brand. This was another acne-prone product, though. I picked it up for a minute, and then I read it, and I was like, wait, I don't actually need this. It's a gentle exfoliating toner, but for acne relief, I don't really have a use for that right now. I don't get breakouts very often anymore with my aging skin, so... but anyways, I was saying there's a lot of drugstore, and then there's a lot of just like generic brand products in here. So you kind of have to dig through to look for the good stuff, the higher end skincare, if that's what you're looking for. And that is usually typically what I'm looking for when I am here. Giving you guys an overview. My store shelves, if I could talk, are usually pretty packed. There's a lot of really, really good stuff. But again, you kind of have to find the needle in the haystack. I thought I spotted some Shiseido, but that was just a brand that kind of mimicked the packaging of Shiseido. It fooled me. Here's some Estee Lauder. It's just a facial toner, which I don't really need, so I did not pick that up. Sorry about my camera work. Here's some more Shiseido, though. This is the Wasu. I think that was a toner. I cannot remember. I was going a little fast, so it's hard to see some of it. I will slow down next time. Sorry about that. I found this Kate Somerville Goat's Milk. It's a moisturizer. I never really liked the goat goat's milk line from Kate Somerville, even though I love Kate Somerville. This is just the Sake water from Boscia, just like a facial toner also. This Inky List, I've been curious about this brand. I saw that it's now carried at Sephora, but I know nothing about it, so I did not grab that. Then I moved over to the makeup. To be honest, this day there was really, really picked over on the makeup. There was hardly anything. As you can see, most of the shelves were pretty bare. And most of it was generic brands or just drugstore brands. And then the few things that I found that were higher end brands were already opened up and damaged. So I did not find anything makeup wise this day. This is like a Morphe mascara, but they all looked like they had been tampered with. You got to be really careful with the products at Marshalls and TJ Maxx, because a lot of times, like you can see, this mascara was opened. People open things and just, yeah, it can be bad. So you got to make sure you're checking that it was not messed with. Here's some more makeup. Again, it's just a lot of generic stuff this day, but I always like looking anyways. It can be kind of fun. I did find these Disney palettes. You saw that Winnie the Pooh one, and then this one is a Belle one. I was tempted to pick them up for my youngest daughter, but decided she does not need any more play makeup. I saw this cute little Morphe palette. I'm not sure what these palettes are called. I thought I liked the colors that were in there, but again, it was opened. It's such a bummer that people ruin it for other people by opening stuff up. I just don't see the thought process behind doing that unless you're going to buy it, but then buy it and bring it home and open it. Like, I just don't get it. Anyway, enough venting about that. Lots of lip balms here. Again, just not much. Here's some Morphe lipsticks. I'm not a big fan of Morphe. Oh, here's a MAC lipstick, but it was $8.99. I mean, I guess that is a good deal for MAC lipstick. I just wasn't interested in getting it. Some Bambi by ColourPop. More ColourPop down there. Those were some sort of kit. I'm not sure. It looked like some sort of a collab, but I was moving kind of quick. Again, sorry for the camera work. I'm definitely a little rusty when it comes to filming, but I'll get back to it. Don't worry, guys. It's just a little learning curve here. I do apologize if I gave you a little vertigo, but here we are to the good stuff. So just off to the side at my store, they have this case that is locked where they keep the fragrances. But I noticed recently they started putting some of their high-end skincare in here, which I actually kind of like because then people don't mess with it. So you don't have to worry about things getting opened and ruined. So I actually like that. So I'm kind of going in here and trying to show you guys. It was hard to see the prices though, and there's a little button on top that you push to get someone to come and help you. And so I did end up doing that because I spotted that Kate Somerville, which as you saw, I was really excited about. I love Kate Somerville skincare. It's like my favorite. They did have some IT Cosmetics and a few other things in here, but I did have to call someone over to get some assistance. All right, so as you guys saw on camera, there was a lot of really good Sephora brands there, but I don't want to like over consume like I did in the past. I don't want to have too much on hand at one time, but I still do feel like I have a little bit of room to grow my collection, and there's certain products that I've been out of that I've been missing. So I'll show you what I did find that I grabbed. The first thing, I can't believe these were here. I'll show you together because they're a set. I did have to buy them separately, but they work together. So it's from Kate Somerville. Kate Somerville and Algenist are my top two favorite skincare brands of all time. I love everything by those two brands. So I found these. This is the Retinol plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. Yay! I've actually never tried this one, but I tried the old formula, and the old formula was my favorite, but it was like a retinol separate from the vitamin C, and then she reformulated and put them together, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have a retinol again, especially from Kate Somerville. So this is the moisturizer, the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer, and this is the serum. They call this the Power Serum, Retinol plus Vitamin C, yay. And this one was on clearance for $16. They only had one of these, and I snatched it up so fast. And then they had two of these, but I only grabbed one because retinol can go bad, so I wanted to just grab one for now. And then when I use up a few more serums, you know, I could always replace it later. This one wasn't on clearance, but it was only $16.99. You guys, I think the retail on this is like $110, I want to say, and I think this is $90. They're really expensive, so I was so excited that I found those. And then the other thing that I found is not that exciting, and yeah, I'll just show you anyways. It's from Keranique. I've heard of this brand. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. It's supposed to help with regrowth. Because of my psoriasis, I've mentioned this before, most of my psoriasis is on my scalp, and because of it, it causes me to have hair loss sometimes, hard to deal with. But anyway, this is supposed to be a scalp stimulating shampoo to help with promoting hair regrowth. So I thought I'd grab that because it was on sale for only $4.99. Like, no brainer. Okay. So that is all I grabbed from Marshalls. I didn't get too much. Like I said, I don't want to like over consume. I am on a budget, so I'm being a lot more cautious with my purchases, but I could not resist those 3 items. All right, now let's get into the PR haul. Okay, so this PR, it came from a company called Skeepers. It used to be known as Octoly. So they have rebranded and now they're called Skeepers. They basically do the same thing that Octoly used to do. You can apply for specific campaigns and you get approved for different products. So I will be doing reviews on these products on Instagram. That's where I'm like required to share my opinion in order to get the products for free. But I wanted to show you guys the unboxing first because it's super exciting to get PR again because makeup and skincare is so expensive. I mean, I'm lucky when I can find stuff like this, a good deal at like Marshalls and stuff, but going to like Sephora or Ulta just adds up so fast. So I missed having PR and it's so exciting. So anyways, I wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing that I got, this is from the brand Belief, which I have used this many, many times and I absolutely love it. I've talked about it in a lot of videos. It's called the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So I think it's just like their Aqua Balm, isn't it? Did they rename it? I can't. You guys, I have not like talked about makeup and skincare in so long. So many things have changed that I feel like I'm a little out of the loop. So excuse me if I misspeak on products because I'm still like relearning basically. But the True Cream, maybe this is the heavier one. Maybe the Aqua Balm was the lighter weight one and then the True Cream is the heavier one. Either way, my skin is really, it's kind of combo skin, but as I've been aging, it's gotten more dry. So I could totally use this. And I love Belief. It's a great brand, great product. So excited about that. And it is full size. The next thing, you guys, this, another product I've had before and love, and another really expensive skincare product. All of these skincare products from Sephora are so expensive, but so worth it. This is from Sunday Riley. It's the Good Genes, and it is a full size. It's an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So basically this is like a targeted anti-aging treatment. So this would be a lighter weight layer. So you would use this like after a serum. I usually like to use it at night, but it is good for like resurfacing and exfoliating. Basically it's an anti-aging. So it's going to help with, that's why they call it Good Genes. It makes you look younger and healthier. All right, is that it? I think there should be one more product. Oh, okay, it's not in here. So I am getting one more product, but it looks like it's not here yet. So I guess I'll just pop a picture up here because I did want to show you guys it, but it's from Smashbox and it's their new foundation. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't look up the name of it, but I'll put a picture here and maybe I'll do a little voiceover. I'm really excited to try that. It's been a long time since I've tried a new foundation and I really only have, I think 2 or 3 liquid foundations that I kept. And one of them is like almost gone. I'm like scraping out the bottom of it. So I'm really excited to be trying that as well. All right, so that is it for today's video. It was a little bit different of a video, but I really wanted to share a makeup video with you guys. Also, I did want to let you know, for those of you who just like my makeup content and not my reseller content, I am going to be sprinkling in makeup videos as well. Like I said, I'm a little out of the loop. I'm a little rusty, but I still enjoy it. I'm having fun getting back into it and learning more about it. So look forward to that. I was thinking about doing maybe a Black Friday sale video if I can find the time to film it before Black Friday. So we'll see on that one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.